Morning, friends. Today we're going to be making Rice Krispy Treats. So I want to show you all the ingredients that we do have. We're going to be using Rice Krispy Treats, marshmallows, and butter. We have some melted butter already inside of the pot. And right now I am going to wash my hands because remember we have to make sure our hands are clean. After we wash our hands and we have them all dry and our butter is melted, we want to add marshmallows. So we're going to use the measuring cup. This is 1 cup. We need 4 cups of marshmallows. I'm going to scoop. This is 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, 4 cups. And we're going to stir that in. So these marshmallows are inside of the pot. What do you guys think will happen with the melted butter and the fire being on? Do you guys think they're going to stay fluffy or do you guys think they're going to melt? Well, that's all right, guys. They are going to melt. We're going to take our same measuring cup and we're going to scoop our Rice Krispy Treats. 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups. So we have 3 cups of Rice Krispy Treats, and then we're going to stir them in. So if we notice that it's not as thick as we want, we can always go back and add another cup of Rice Krispy Treats. That's what we're going to do right now. Add some more. We're going to stir that in. What we have cooked, we're going to put inside of a pan. We want to use a spatula to even it out inside of the pan. And then we let it sit so that it can be hardened. And this, guys, is what you should have at the end. Let's open it so we can see. This is how our Rice Krispies should come. And I want to show you guys the recipe we have. And guys, this is the recipe here. So if your mom and dad want to make these Rice Krispy Treats at home, I'll print it out and send it home for mom and dad so you guys can have something fun to do.